not only became a household name as a child star, but also garnered multiple famous awards for her exceptional talent. Her career is a testament to talent, adaptability, and resilience in an industry that can often be fickle. She grew up in front of the camera and managed to stay relevant as she matured, a feat that many child stars struggle to achieve. Judy Ann Santos' famous journey, marked by awards and recognition, showcases her dedication to her incomparable craft. Famous child icon of the Philippine cinema, Judy Ann Santos.
Nangyari sa buhay ko. Bakit ng dalawang beses? Again, Thomas, thank you so much. Almost 4 decades in the industry, I still love this role. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya ito kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin ng bata ko. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Emel Cruz, na nabuo ng Marang-Tara, kung paano nabuo ang mamahal ng tandem namin ng Gladys. To Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jessie Sina, Tito Alphys, walang itawa. Marami man kami pinagdaanan ng pag-aaway, malaki ang inulong niya sa akin. To my network, ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Ma'am Charo, Star Cinema, everyone, each and everyone na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko. Sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo na hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuhong sa akin at habang buhay ko, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat ng nagdaan ko sa industriya. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan ko. Salamat.